Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my BOXYCHARM by IPSY, which is still so weird to say. I just unboxed my icon box. So good. The best I've ever unboxed in my entire life. And I also did a video where I unbagged this. Usually I do everything all together, but like since everything's kind of separate right now and I'm still kind of confused, I'm breaking them up into separate videos. So if you guys are curious on the foundation I'm wearing, I am taste testing. I'm taste testing this new foundation. It's not new, but it's new to me. Michelob. Everybody's been like saying it's like amazing, 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 and it's so far amazing, and I love it, and I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. Also, on my eyeballs, Coastal palette from Alter Ego. It's the dupe for the Huda Beauty, except for this is way cheaper and actually way better, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, if you are into these types of videos from me where I unbox my IPSY stuff, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Box is open, baby, okay? Shabam skis. Oh, okay, this one's an interesting box. Let me go ahead and put that out. Okay, so first off, I have this product from Frank Body. This is the Coconut Coffee Scrub Gommage Cafe Cocoa. I'm actually really excited about this. I had it in French vanilla, or just vanilla. I think it was French vanilla. This was so good. It made a huge mess in my shower, but like it took 2 seconds to like, you know, splash some water and rinse it down. This stuff is so good at exfoliating your legs, so this is gonna be like so good for like, you know, getting your legs exfoliated, ready for like self-tanning like the next day, or you know, getting the dead skin off. You got a sunburn, you're going to the beach, you're going to the pool, you're laying out, you're doing the thing, you're gonna do the actual thing, the diggity dang dang, you know what I'm saying? This is good for exfoliating, and it always smells good, so I can't wait to put this one in my shower. So yeah, that's exciting. Love that. And then we have from Lovecraft Beauty. I haven't heard of them in so long. This is a dual tip liquid liner. Let me tell you, I have so many liquid liners. I need to go through my liner set drawer thing because I have so many. So yeah, we have like a felt tip. Oh, that was pretty sharp. And then we have a smaller felt tip. Oh yeah, like baby hair felt tip. Okay, cool. Great. I'm gonna give that to my niece because I'm doing her prom makeup tomorrow, which I've decided in one of my last videos that I just filmed. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm putting in my makeup kit. Even, you know, so I'm gonna do that. Anyways, Persona. I haven't had a Persona product in a long time, and it was not as interesting as a blush. This is a super blush in caramel. That looks pretty. And that looks pretty. Okay, hold on. Swatchy time right here. Gorge! I'm gonna add this to the list of trying new makeup out, because I'm back on my YouTube grind, you guys. I got my farm pretty much in good standing. My goats aren't escaping as much anymore. I've spent way too much money on electric fencing. And, yeah. If you follow me on Instagram, you know the struggle. My goats are always out. It's a struggle. Anyways, next up we have this product from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Smooth and Blur Setting Powder in Translucent. This I will also give a try in my Trying New Things video. ASMR. So yeah, cool. And then lastly, we have this palette from Iconic London, which I'm really excited about. If this is what I think it is, then I'm really excited because I remember seeing a photo of this. Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette, you guys. Shavoo. Oh yeah, this is gorge. This is the most perfect summer palette ever. I feel like I have to sneeze. Maybe not. Okay, I want to definitely play with this video. I want to play with this palette in my video because it looks so pretty. Okay, hold on. I gotta swatch Paradise. Okay, this is one of those shadow texture things where it's like not soft. It's very clumpy and kind of hard, but not hard, if that makes sense, which appears to me is going to be a very good shimmer quality, if I'm being completely honest. Let's just test this out. Oh, yeah. This is going to be very, very vibrant on the eyes. Oh my god. This is giving jungle. This is giving, I'm going to the jungle. The tropical jungle, beachside. Forrest Gump running through the palm trees, trying to save Bubba and all of his friends. I don't really know where that came from, but that's what this color is giving me. It's giving me army green, piccolo player, Dixie Chicks. Okay, now Vacay Glow. This one's less crumbly feeling, so let's give this one a swatch. Gorge. Also, Love. Okay, now let's do Blue Lagoon, which I think is also a movie name. Pretty. Let's do a swatch. This one's another dry texture feeling, but it's like kind of like a matte with glitter, so definitely use a glitter glue. I recommend NYX glitter glue. And I want to swatch Deep Ocean, which looks like a green matte. A very hard feeling in the pan, but I have a feeling it's going to be one of those that, yeah. We'll have to test this shade out. Greens are very hard to formulate and actually, you know, turn out good, you know, which we learned all about with the Jaclyn Hill green scandal with her little Morphe palettes. Don't even get me started on Jaclyn Hill. Don't even get me started. So anyways, that's everything that I got. Look forward to the next video where I try on stuff on my face and you guys can yell at me for hardly filming because I've been so busy, but I will update you guys in that video, okay? Okay. So yeah, your girl has been going through it the past couple of months. Actually since August, it's been kind of bad. On top of, like, you know, everything else. The cancer, the farm. It's been a lot, okay? I'll update you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.